In this video, I'll share with you all the easiest ways to take the train to get around Italy. Italy have a great train system and also subway system as well that you'll see in this video if you're trying to take the local train around town. Stay tuned because I'm going to give you the tips and going through each town. You have an option to also purchase your ticket here at the terminal. We opted to purchase our tickets beforehand, so we printed them out to have them on hand, but also they can be downloaded to your mobile device. Okay, let's start here at the main terminal of Rome, Roma Termini. Here, when you arrive in this terminal, if you're coming from the airport or if you're staying in Rome and you're just strolling over to the Roma Termini to go to another part of town, you're going to see tons of trains, and the trains are going to be designated by platforms. So each platform shows which town that is going to be boarded to, and there also is a huge billboard so you can know which platform to board, and also be sure to check the time on your ticket because you may be boarding either a earlier train if you arrive there a little bit too early, so you want to make sure that those match up as well. If all fails, feel free to ask one of the conductors or somebody that you see there. A lot of people speak English and they're very helpful and they're able to help you out so that you don't miss your train or so that you're in the right location. We got the terminal. Here's the Venice, Roma Termini. It was a little confusing at first, but then we got it down pat. We had to look at the billboards to see what platform is the train that we're taking that's going to Venice. So we're on platform 2. The train is probably here. It didn't have a platform number at first, but now it does. So let's board on train number 2. Head over to Venice, y'all. A 4-hour train ride to get from Rome to Venice. We decided to stop at one of these vending machines to grab a few snacks. Now these vending machines, they do take card, but I suggest for you to have a few euros or even some coins on hand just in case the card machine isn't working. But you definitely want to pile up on some snacks while you're on this long train ride if you're traveling from Rome to Venice or any one of those locations where it has a couple hours, because depending on the car you board, they may not service you. It may not have a full cart. I believe first class and business class does, but if you're choosing the standard or coach, they do not. Most of the cart seating is very comfortable, and also most of the carts are equipped with Wi-Fi. There are some local carts that I experienced that didn't have Wi-Fi, but most does. Now again, if you're traveling to Venice, you want to make sure that you're going to Santa Lucia. That's the stop that you want to get off at. It's going to take you right to the main part of Venice, the main part of the island, and you're going to be greeted with a warm, welcoming view. Take a look. First look of Venice, y'all. This is the Grand Canal. We really out here. This is insane. Insane. Look at the view, y'all. The view's crazy out here, right? Crazy. Man. Freaking Grand Canal. Bucket list stuff for sure. This is how you bring in a 40 and 3 day. tips when visiting Venice. They're known for seafood. We stopped at a place named Impronta. They have the best sea bass that I had ever. Also, if you have a little extra time, you want to be sure to take on one of the tours of St. Mark's Square and also Doge Palace. A lot of history that you do not want to miss while you're here at Venice. The pizza here was amazing, outstanding, and also the gondola ride. The gondola ride was so magical, guys, so magical. The link in the bio if you want to see more of Venice. But I asked my wife once it was over, how was it? She was completely breathtaking. She had no words at all. Remember I told you guys have another option to purchase the tickets from the self-service station. You can do so. It's pretty much self-explanatory, and I'll show you right in this video how self-explanatory it is. You can't screw this up, guys. Do not overcomplicate it. So if you want to purchase tickets once you arrive, or if you want to have a change of destination once you arrive, you can do so here at the train station. Alright guys, another quick tip. Piazza Centrale, this is where we are right now. Now you can get off right here and walk to the Leaning Tower. However, it'll take you about 30 minutes. You want to get from here to Piazza San Rossi. It's a 5-minute train that gets there, and then it's about a 5-minute walk for you to get to the Leaning Tower. It's my quick tip of the moment. Here we are, we arrived. Piazza San Rossi. Oh, we gotta be at 10:15.
Oh, it's so fast, but we have.
Wow, look at this. Wow. Another quick tip for you. If you're going to do Pisa or either Florence, you may want to consider doing both in the same day because they're only an hour apart via train. Most of the trains are equipped with bathrooms, but there are some that aren't, especially some of the local trains. Now, each train station does have a bathroom. Want to consider to have some coins or some extra money on you. They take credit cards or cash, and there is €1 that you have to pay. Some are more. I believe in Florence it was €2, but they do cost in order to use the bathroom here. And the bathrooms are very clean. Smells good. There's no trash or anything like that, as I'm showing you in this video. Also, take into consideration that these bathrooms are not operating 24 hours. There were some times that we arrived to the train station and we weren't able to use the bathroom. We had to wait and hope that our train had a bathroom on the cart. You're taking the train specifically from FCO, the Rome Airport, to Rome Terminal, to City Center. You can take the Leonardo Express. It takes you right to the Rome Termini without any stops. Or if you want to pay only €8, as you can see, you can take the other train. That's the regional train, but it does have stops at each terminal. So can take that into consideration. Or if you buy the Leonardo Express ticket and miss the train like we did, you can board the regional train. Again, it does have the stops at each part of town, but the Leonardo ticket does allow you to board the regional train as well. Look at this. I believe it may be the Roman Forum right there, or Palestine Hills. Not 100% sure. But here it is, Coliseum. About to go inside here. And the tour around here, I know the view inside is amazing. We got hand wars going on right in the taxi. And this guy. As we on the bus, a little confusion. We didn't know how to pay for it. It's automatic right here, tap and go. It's great to be on the bus in Rome, y'all. We're really globe-trotting out here. Catching the subway is simple as well. Just walk up to the kiosk and enter the destination that you're traveling to, pay for it, and take your tickets, and off you go. Alright, y'all, looks like another adventure in Rome. I'm taking the subway, taking the metro, y'all. Long staircase down. This train is packed. Anybody getting off? Just a few people. Everybody going to the terminal. Packed train, y'all. Man, that thing was packed like sardines, though. You don't see all the people? Catching the train. That's what it's like. And the escalators will be down. So we gotta walk. Walk. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and this was helpful, feel free to hit the like button. Also subscribe as you join the journey of my channel as I travel around the globe. And also I'll place some links in the bio if you want to see some cool sites on what to see while you're here in Italy, and also what to eat. I'll see you guys on the next one. Ciao.